Gmail is a Swiss Army knife, but using it for serious competitor tracking is like bringing a knife to a gunfight. Once you start tracking competitors seriously, it breaks down fast. Your inbox fills up, promos get buried. You lose track of what actually matters. At the same time, email is quietly driving 10 to 30% of your revenue, launches, discounts, retention offers, win-backs. Email powers a huge part of your business. And it's doing the exact same thing for your competitors. You're all chasing the same customers. So if you can't clearly see how competitors are using email to make money, you're guessing. And that guessing shows up in revenue. That's what SupaFast Mail fixes. SupaFast Mail starts with a workspace for your brand. Each workspace gets one private email alias. That single address is all you need to subscribe to your own emails and every competitor you want to track. You add your brand, and SupaFast automatically suggests relevant competitors. You can keep them, replace them, or add others you already know. Once you subscribe, everything flows into one unified inbox. This inbox collects every email sent by you and your competitors. You can view it as a grid or a table. Each email is automatically categorized by campaign type: promotional, event-driven, pricing, strategic, educational. So instead of noise, you see structure. Open any email and SupaFast generates insights automatically. You see the offer, the call to action, the tone, the urgency, and the products being pushed. Within seconds, you understand what the email is doing and why it exists. And here's the core idea. Comparison is the default. You're not looking at competitor emails in isolation. Everything is framed as you versus them and against market averages. Every week, SupaFast Mail generates insights automatically. No manual reviews, no digging through archives. Everything stays sorted. Everything stays stored. So competitor history becomes context. SupaFast Mail is built for teams from day one. Multiple workspaces, shared visibility, one source of truth. So instead of collecting competitor emails, you start acting on them. You spot patterns faster, you compare clearly, and you make better decisions. SupaFast Mail is free for 30 days. If email matters in your market and it's driving revenue for you, it's worth seeing what clarity actually looks like.